My name is Mondli Ncgobo. Staying very Mondli, location but farmer at Impendle. The name of the farmer is Runny Mead Farm. The only thing that I enjoyed is the potatoes itself. But although I know there's too much work for potatoes, but I like to work potatoes. A lot of people, they want the big potatoes for chips and the people who are cooking, but most of the people who supporting us for potatoes are the people for chips, for doing frying. It's all the time they need the big size of the potatoes. Chips.
You got them.
Okay,
There.
let's restart. Can you please tell me your name, where you're based, and what your farm's name is? Okay. And what do you think people who buy potatoes should know more about a potato? Perfect. Okay, and last question. Chips, mash, or baked potato? If you could eat that for only one of them, if you could only eat one of them for the rest of your life, which one would you eat? Chips, mashed potatoes, or baked potato?